Hi, my name is April, also known as the Jack's Veggie Chef. I am doing a grand opening of my new cottage food bakery called Samade Foods, and I specialize in gluten-free products. The reason why I chose gluten-free products is because it is known as an allergy. I have never been diagnosed with gluten intolerant, but I do have a soy and a dairy intolerant. So, in order to prevent a gluten free allergy, I decided to get ahead of the game. So, now the reason why I chose gluten again is because of it is an allergy. It is in literally everything that we eat, just about. So, in order to be preventive and to stay ahead of the game and to control what is in my food, I wanted to create products that I enjoy, and now I want to share them with you. Today I want to discuss a little bit about gluten. For those of you who may or may not know about gluten, I just want to share with you why I chose gluten-free products. Gluten is a type of protein that's found mostly in grains like wheat, barley, and rye. They are found in products like bread, cereal, pasta, condiments, such as pastas, noodles, crackers, granola, uh, stuffing for dressing, flour tortillas. You get it, you know the picture. So, gluten is a vile elastic protein which bind things together, and it also stretches things. So it makes cakes, pies, and breads and things like that perform the way they should. So what's the problem with gluten? Those that have or have not been diagnosed with the celiac disease may experience irritations to the small intestine, causing diarrhea, constipation, gastric and reflux or heartburn, and also fatigue. It may cause iron deficiency, bone and joint discomfort, such as arthritis, depression, anxiety. The list goes on and on. So those are the things that I want to prevent. So if the food that I'm eating can cause those kind of things, I want to be a preventive person. So now we're going to go and discuss the foundation that started the Celiac Disease Foundation. The research states out there that doctors may misdiagnose the problem or other digestive issues, such as irritable bowel syndrome, chronic fatigue, intestinal infection, or Crohn's disease. So, if you're experiencing some of these things and you may not have a definitive answer, I'm not a doctor, so you may want to ask them to check for this type of irritation. Okay, now, what if you do not have any of the above symptoms? You may have a different type of issue like diabetes. Celiac disease and type 1 diabetes kind of one kind of causes the other, or they're kind of linked together. Many individuals, this is according to the Celiac Disease Foundation, many individuals diagnosed with type 1 diabetes discovered they have celiac disease through routine screening because of the known relationship between the two conditions. Most report having no symptoms of celiac disease, and the diagnosis is sometimes seen as an afterthought to diabetes. So, due to the significantly higher prevalence of celiac disease in diabetes patients, many doctors recommend getting screened for celiac disease after the diagnosis of type 1 diabetes, as well as the celiac disease patients getting screened for type 1 diabetes. So, if you've been diagnosed with one or the other, it has been suggested that you get tested for one or the other. So, a lot of people, especially in my community, have been diagnosed with diabetes. My family members have been diagnosed with it, and thank God I have not been diagnosed with it, and that is my mission, is to prevent that. That is the reason why I eat the way I do, and I would like to share those foods with you in order to be preventive. That is my mission, and I want to share it with you and share it with the world.